Hi everybody, thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe. That's going to be the red R towards the bottom right. Leave us a comment, give us a like, hit the share button, all that good stuff, guys. So today we're looking at the Ri4000. I'm going to show you guys how to reset your ink filters. So you might, oh sorry, not your ink filters, but your fan filters. So you might get a message on your display that says fan filters have reached the end of life. Please replace them, so on and so forth. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up the lid of our printer. Okay, once we got that open, we're going to go to our fan filters, which are located towards the top of the unit, right underneath the fans. These guys right here. You're going to pull this little bracket out. You're going to pop this little filter out of there. As you see, mine's kind of dirty, but I can still go a few more days. And then we just go ahead and put the new one back in there. Make sure you put it underneath that little green bracket, right towards the bottom right here. Okay, so let me put mine in place really quick. Okay, once you got that fan back into its little holding bracket right there, you're just gonna slide that back inside that opening right there. Push that in all the way. You can go ahead and also check the other one over here on the left side. Make sure that one's replaced as well. On your display screen, we're going to go ahead and reset that count so that message goes away. Alright, so once we're on the display here, we're going to go to our parts menu, which is going to be this icon right here towards the right. You're going to notice it by a little gray and white square. We're going to select that one. We're going to go to our fan filter, which will be up here. We're going to replace. It's going to ask us, do you really want to run this? We said yes, and that's going to bring back that percentage to 0. Now, all of these parts are considered consumable parts, guys. As soon as you start seeing these parts, they'll go from green to an orange to a red, and then you'll get a message that one of these parts needs to get replaced. This is for the front, that's for the rear right there. And once that's done, you just exit that menu, and it's cleared. Okay guys, thank you for joining us today, and that's how to replace and how to reset the lifetime on your fan filters. Once again guys, please don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, leave us some comments, hit the share button, and we'll see you guys next time.